Hey, good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday, February 25th, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus, and I am the Chief Market Strategist for Push Button Stock Trading. This is your daily video market review. Stocks closed nearly unchanged for the day yesterday as the NASDAQ ended an uninterrupted 10-day uptrend. Let's start by taking a look at the NASDAQ. Yesterday, NASDAQ closed slightly lower. It was down 0.98 points or 0.02%. Trading volume was slightly heavier than the prior day, came in about average daily. We did not add a distribution day to our count because yesterday didn't meet the minimum threshold level for distribution, which is 0.2%. The NASDAQ is in a confirmed uptrend. We've been in a confirmed uptrend since January 8th. Currently we have 4 distribution days on the NASDAQ, which compares with 7 accumulation days. A distribution day is simply a day of professional selling. An accumulation day is a day of professional buying. What we're trying to do with this type of momentum investing is we're trying to get out ahead of the institutions. Accumulation and distribution are the footprints that the institutional investors leave. When you have 7 days of accumulation versus 4 days of distribution, you're seeing a lot of accumulation in the market, which leads me to believe that we aren't quite done with the current uptrend in the market just yet. Right now, the NASDAQ is bracketed by support in the 4811 area and resistance at its upper channel line, right in this area. We are on a buy signal on our 1 to 6 month timing model. The MACD histogram right now is trading above the 0 line, but is in a short-term downtrend. Trading above the 0 line is bullish, the short-term downtrend is bearish, and so we're neutral on our immediate bias on the NASDAQ composite. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. The S&P closed down 1.62 points yesterday, or 0.08%. Trading volume was a little bit lower than the prior day, considerably lower than average daily. The S&P 500 also is in a confirmed uptrend, has been since January 8th. We have 3 days of distribution on the S&P, and that compares with 7 days of accumulation. Again, we're seeing more accumulation than distribution. The S&P 500 is bracketed by support in the 2084 area and resistance right here at its upper channel line. The S&P 500 is on a buy signal on our 1 to 6 month timing model. Taking a quick look at the MACD histogram, we see that the MACD histogram is trading above the 0 line, which is bullish, but is in a downtrend, which is bearish, and so our immediate bias on the S&P 500 is neutral. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks that we talked about, the markets, or any of our trading strategies, please feel free to give me a call. Drop me an email, or if you'd prefer, make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. If you're out of the area, we can also set up a Skype session. See my contact information on the home page. If you've not already done so, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. Finally, our lawyers and compliance department would be ever so pleased if you'd stay tuned for the following disclaimers. Again, my name's Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson LaCours, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson LaCours, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.